Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering and connecting your tracker. Charge it fully, insert an active SIM with data, and power on. Once done, open the manufacturer app and create an account. This links device ID to you. You should enable two-factor authentication to secure access and grant location and background data permissions so updates flow. Make sure the device time zone and APN settings match your carrier. That ensures the tracker sends valid coordinates promptly and reduces missed reports. Now configure how the tracker reports and alerts. In the app, set an update interval that balances accuracy versus battery, shorter intervals for live tracking, longer for long battery life. Next, create geofences and assign alert types so you enter /exit, speed, or idle warnings. Tune movement sensitivity and thresholds to avoid false positives. Also enable low battery and SOS notifications. This keeps you informed of failures. Once configured, test a short run to verify alert. Finish by validating the whole setup. Take the tracker on a 10 to 20-minute test route and monitor the app. You want to confirm map position accuracy, timestamp consistency, and that push/SMS alerts arrive. If tracking lags or drops, first restart the tracker and the app. Next, verify SIM balance, APN, and that GPS antenna has sky view. Poor reception causes drift. If problems persist, update firmware or contact support with device ID and log files. That speeds diagnosis and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.